Apple has also been in Trump's firing line. He's threatened 25% tariffs on iPhones made outside of the United States. The US currently has no smartphone manufacturing. Let's talk to our correspondent, Mitch McCann, who's in New York. So, Mitch, when Trump talks, the market moves. So what effect are these latest comments having?
Yeah, that's right. Good afternoon. Well, the markets have moved, and not in the direction investors would have hoped for, but perhaps where they expected them to move after Donald Trump's social media post this morning, just after 7 o'clock Eastern Time, a couple of hours before the opening bell on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, the three main indices that we monitor are down this afternoon, but have recovered slightly from the opening. Now, if we have a look at where things were a short time ago, a few moments ago, the Dow Jones was down 300 points, the S&P 500 was down 0.82%, and the Nasdaq was down as well, around 1.09%. Now, Donald Trump's comments really put Apple in more of a difficult position, and the company in recent years has been working to reduce the risk of trade conflicts. And one example of it doing this is it has moved much of its production of the iPhone to India from China to reduce the risk of being involved in any trade war. Well, of course, now it finds itself in the middle of this. Apple has also worked to appease the administration in other ways too. It's reported that Tim Cook gave the inauguration fund for Donald Trump $1 million and then attended his swearing in January. Apple has also announced that it's going to spend $500 million in building artificial intelligence server manufacturing in Texas as well. So doing a lot there to appease Donald Trump, but apparently it's not enough. Politico is also reporting here that Tim Cook actually met with Donald Trump earlier this week before this message was put out earlier this morning. Now, the thing I think consumers will be most interested in is how this may impact them and their iPhone purchases if Apple was to, say, build its iPhones in the United States. Now, according to some reports, Wall Street analysts believe that doing so could raise the price of an iPhone for the American consumer by 25%, and it could cost around $3,500 for an iPhone. I had a look a look at this price currently a short time ago. The iPhone 16 Pro costs around $1,100 in the US this morning. So that is a significant increase if that were to happen in the coming years. Apple stock is down this afternoon. As you may expect, it's down around 2.6%. It is a slight recovery, though, from the opening when it was down around 3.7% this morning. So bad news for Apple on the stock exchange, but plenty of hours to go in trading this Friday.